Gear up for a slam dunk of excitement and a love for reading throughout your school or district with MindPlay's March Madness Reading Tournament. Just like the thrilling challenges of organizing basketball events, we've made it a breeze for you. In less than 2 minutes, you can set up a bracketed reading tournament perfectly tailored to your class, grade level, or the entire district. What sets us apart is our dedication to creating a reading competition that honors every student's achievements. Unlike traditional tournaments where the highest reading levels dominate, MindPlay levels the literary playing field. Our tournament is akin to a jump ball, grounded in embedded cloze assessments within our extensive library of over 10,000 books. This unique approach allows students at different reading and grade levels to compete on their own court, ensuring fairness for all participants. The impact doesn't stop once the buzzer ends. Students who took part in last year's March Madness reading tournaments experienced a whopping 56% increase in reading minutes compared to the previous month. And just like in basketball, the enthusiasm carried on beyond March. Don't sit on the sidelines. Join the reading game with MindPlay's March Madness Reading Tournament. Contact us today to explore our special pricing and let the literary slam dunk begin, transforming reading into a thrilling and rewarding challenge for your entire school community.